Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this our Windows command prompt video series, we are going to look at how to find applications that you have installed on your system and how to find the path environment variables for the applications that you have installed and set their environment variables. To do that, let's open the command prompt as we normally do. There are many ways to do that. To open the CMD, I will press the Windows key and letter R together at the same time. Now here tap in CMD and click OK. Now with the command prompt open, I know I have installed Java on my application, but I want to find out where I have installed it. So I will use the command here, where Java, and hit enter. Great. Now it shows that I have Java installed in two locations on my machine. One is on this path and the other one is on this path. You can do the same thing for other programming languages. For example, I can also use the command where Python and I will hit enter. Great. Here it shows that I have Python installed in these locations on my computer. I also have C++ installed on my machine, and I will run the command where C++. Hit enter. Exactly, it shows the different locations that I have C++ installed on my machine. I will run the command again for MVN because I know I have Maven installed on my computer, and I hit enter. Great, it shows that I have Maven installed in these locations. Recently, I installed PHP on my machine. I'm not quite sure of where it is now. So to find out the path, I will do the same thing where PHP. Hit enter. Exactly. Let me move this one up a little bit. And to move up your screen, press down the Control key and press the down arrow continuously to move it up, or the up arrow to move it up. So you can press both the Control key and up arrow or down arrow to move up or down on your screen. Here it shows that I have PHP installed in this location on my machine. I also recently installed Composer on my machine. I'm going to check where Composer was installed. I will use the command where Composer and hit enter. Great, it shows that I have Composer installed in this location on my machine. This is the path to the location that Composer is installed. For me to find out the version of Java that I have installed on my machine, I can also use the command which, WHICH space Java, which Java. Exactly, it shows the path that I installed Java. Now I am going to clear my screen. I will use the command clear, hit enter. Great, now I have cleared my screen. I am going to run this command again where Java so that we can see how the environment variable was set. Where Java. Great. Here it shows that Java is installed in this location. If I check the environment variable that I have set for Java on this machine, it will actually be pointing to this path. To do that, in the search area, I will type in environment, and the edit system environment variable option will come up. I'll click on it. Now, for the environment variables, I will click on this. And here for path, I will click edit. Here you can see that the environment variable is set for Java here. And the second one is this one here. So let me move this one up again so that you see it clearly. So if you look at this part here, it says C:\program files /Java /JDK -22 bin. And that is exactly what we have here. So this java.exe file, the executable file, is actually set to this path location. I will minimize this. Now we close this one, and close this one. Now I have cleared the screen, but before I cleared it, I have already run some commands. For me to see those commands that I entered before, I can use this command, .k space / history. So the command is .k space / history, and I'll hit enter. Exactly. Here it shows me all the commands that I run before I cleared the screen. So this tutorial was to show you how to find the programs that you have installed on your computer and how to check the environment variable that was set for the programs. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.